Hello guys, welcome to Tech Layout. Today we are going to look at the upcoming PlayStation 5, PS5, which is a home video game console, developed by Sony Interactive Entertainment. The system will launch in two varieties, as a base PlayStation 5 system that will include an optical disc reader, as well as a digital edition without the drive. This new console has a specialized solid-state drive, a custom AMD GPU capable of ray tracing, backward compatibility with most PlayStation 4 and PlayStation VR games, and support for both downloadable and disc-based games. The PlayStation 5 uses AMD's 7nm Zen 2 microarchitecture, with 8 CPU cores running at a variable frequency capped at 3.5 GHz. The GPU is a customized system-on-a-chip (SoC), based on AMD's RDNA 2. If the CPU is running at lower activity, the boost system may reduce its frequency, and increase the frequency of the GPU, to allow the GPU to run at higher performance, without otherwise affecting power use or cooling. The GPU supports hardware acceleration of real-time ray-traced rendering. A custom SSD storage solution was designed for the PlayStation 5, to increase data input and output rates for fast loading times, and larger bandwidth. This speed allows games to be more immersive, and to support 8K resolution. The system has 16 GB of GDDR6 SD-RAM with a bandwidth of 448 GB per second. The base system has a 825 GB SSD connected via a 12-channel interface to the main system, achieving a 5.5 GB per second transfer rate uncompressed, and between 8 to 9 GB per second, using compression with the UDO Kraken protocol. The system includes a 4K compatible Ultra HD Blu-ray optical drive. Though game installation from a disc is mandatory as to take advantage of the SSD, the user has some fine-grained control of how much to install, such as only installing the multiplayer components of a game. Sony is developing improved support for suspended gameplay state, for the PlayStation 5 to consume less energy than the PlayStation 4. The new DualSense wireless controller for the PlayStation 5 was revealed on April 7, 2020. The DualSense controller is based on the DualShock controllers, but with modifications influenced by discussions with game designers and players. The DualSense controller has adaptive triggers that can change the resistance to the player as necessary, supporting an experience such as virtually drawing an arrow from a bow. The DualSense maintains most of the same buttons as the DualShock 4. It renames the Share button to create with additional means for players to share and create content with others. It has two-tone coloring, primarily white with black facing. The light bar has been moved to the sides of the touchpad. It has USB-C connectivity, a higher rated battery, and an audio jack. In addition to the console reveal, several additional accessories were announced, including a charging station for the DualSense, a new HD camera, and a media remote control. The Pulse 3D is a wireless headset made to take advantage of the console's 3D audio technology. Sony plans to launch the PlayStation 5 by the end of 2020, as to be available for end-of-year holiday sales. Two versions are expected for launch. The base PlayStation 5 will include a Ultra HD Blu-ray disc drive, while the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition will omit this drive. Both versions will ship with one DualSense controller. The console revealed at the PS5 Live Reveal event shows a sleek new look with the Digital Edition. Let's check out the first official look at the new PS5 design in all of its glory. What's up guys, welcome to Tech Layout. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new then subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell on to keep up to date with all of our future videos.